Hello world, it's yours truly G. Cole, Homegrown with G. Cole. The podcast airs right here on Jamaicans.com every Monday and Thursday, 7 p.m. till 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to talk about the facts of Jamaican music. I don't want to say reggae music because, all the other genres contribute to this Jamaican music culture also. Another fact is this. The highest selling reggae album of all time. And of course, we're always going to say, it's a Bob Marley. Yes, it is. But it's actually a compilation. It wasn't really released as an album per se. It's a compilation of some of his best work. It's the first Bob Marley CD I've ever bought, and I'm sure it's probably the one that many people own. The purists will tell you that they got Kaya and them have Babylon by Bus and them have Exodus and all them things. And my favorite, of course, is Talking Blues. But the album we speak of is legend. My name is G. Cole. It is Homegrown G. Cole. Keep it moving, keep it grooving. It's homegrown.